and State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Schuylkill County in central Pennsylvania, Southeastern Northumberland County in central Pennsylvania, Northeastern Dauphin County in south central Pennsylvania, Southeastern Columbia County in central Pennsylvania, until 6:15 p.m. At 5:14 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Slabtown to near Marshallton to Leggins, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Bloomsburg, Pottsville, Shamokin, Shenandoah, St. Clair, Mount Carmel, Minersville, Mahanoy City, Frackville, Culp Mott, Ashland, McAdoo, Ellisburg, Pine Grove, Fairview and Ferndale, Port Carbon, Lycans, Tremont, Catawissa and Girardville. For those driving on Interstate 80, this includes areas between the Mifflinville and Muskoka exits, specifically from mile markers 243 to 247. This includes Interstate 81 from mile markers 97 to 139. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. for the following counties: Columbia, Dauphin, Northumberland, and Schuylkill.